I found the best way to make a smash burger with a wok. These types of burgers really let the taste of the meat and the fat come through. So you gotta use a nice fatty ground beef. Don't use the lean stuff, get the stuff with the most fat. This is about 1/3 of a pound. Butter a nice white sesame seed bun. And also, you gotta grill your buns. This step is crucial for a nice burger. I usually use a griddle or a cast iron frying pan, but I found using a wok makes an amazing burger when I'm just making one burger for myself. Heat the wok super hot and add the meat. Then press it into the wok. This makes little cracks all through the meat and it fries up real nice. Let cook for about 2 minutes. The rendered out fat will fry and keep the burger moist. A word about making the patties. Don't add any extra fillers like breadcrumbs or eggs or anything like that. We're not making meatloaf, we're making hamburgers. We want the taste of the meat to really come through. Once the edges start cooking, flip the patty. To ensure a tender, juicy burger, you don't want to overwork the meat. You want to take the meat straight from the package and form it into a small patty or a ball, and then just smoosh it into the pan. The shape of the wok keeps the fat pooled around the patty. It's so bad, yet it's really so good at the same time. Okay, we're almost done. Look at those crispy edges, but the inside is still juicy and moist. Let's add a slice of American cheese. And then place it on the toasted bun. Dress the burger with condiments, but try not to go overboard with anything. Keep it simple. I like a pickle, ketchup, and mustard. The quick cooking time keeps the burger moist as well. Check this out. The burger meat falls apart. The meat is juicy, tender, and the outside had a nice light crunch to it. Perfect burger. You gotta try this for yourself. Also, check out my video on how to season and buy a wok. Thanks for watching. Until the next video. Bye, guys.